So hello guys, welcome to my demo for Otakuverse AI Manga Translator. So let's get into it. So how can you set it up? So once if you check our repo, there are three main servers: so inference server, web app, and the training pipeline. For the demo purposes, we'll be using the web app, which I'm already in, and then you can just run pm dev or any other, and then the web server will be running on localhost 3000. But for that to run, you will need a special environment variable called next public inference server. So this inference server will be deployed on Inspiron. So for doing that, let's follow our guide here. Let's see how can you get that URL. So first you can get the test tokens from the faucet and check whether you have it in your wallet or no. So I guess I have some tokens left. Yeah, so I have an Ethereum balance and total USDT balance. You once you are done with the payment, like depositing, you can go to the inference server and then you can create a deploy script. So if you see the inference server, it has a deploy.yaml which you can run, which is set for 1 hour. You can also use it for multiple, like for long term duration as well. So for now, let's copy and paste this. So the deployment order has been created. This means it has been sent to the network. Now we can see if any provider accepts the order. Oh, looks like deployment created, and we get access to this LID. Now what to do next is pretty simple. You can get your deployment from doing this, copying this command, and then pasting your LID, which is these ID, which in this case is 4890. And let's see if the deployment is ready. So what happens here is the compute with our requirements has been allocated, and you can just copy this URL and paste in the env file. Not this one, the web app one. Yeah. So now this URL will be used by our web app. So let's make, so this is the main web app. It's powered by thing. So what you can do is you can drop panels or any other image. You can choose which translator to use, what font to use, and then click translate. Now what is happening behind the scenes is the request is sent to the Spheron network, which is running, and then the inference, which is, if you see here, it's in Japanese. It will convert. It will take the text, convert it to English, and put it back on the image. For this, I am using YOLO V8, which has been trained on Spheron network itself for around 5-6 hours, and then I use that fine-tuned YOLO V8 model for extracting these speech bubbles. So let's wait and see. Yeah, as you can see, the image is back with the English names. You can download these images for yours, or you can upload a new one. So say if you want to try this one, and then click translate. So the thing is, once the model has been loaded on the server, it becomes faster to do these image translations. Yeah, so as you can see, there's, so thank you. That's the demo for Otaku AI.